Hello friends, myself Debuki Basu from Boutique D Design, come again with another video, a new video uh, today. So today's special video I will do on my cotton embroidery sarees. Earlier also I have a few videos and I got overwhelming responses from you. Thanks for your support. This is encourage me to go ahead with you and create new designs, new concepts. So let's start to see the video. My new sarees. Before that, my sari booking number is 9163860633, and Boutique D Design is situated at 51 by 1 Jaduna Tukil Road, Paschim Putiari, Kolkata 41. It's near Tollygunge area, Kudhat, near Netaji Metro Station. So those who likes my video, please do like, share, and comments. I request you to please do subscribe my channel if you get regular uh, notifications, regular updates from my designs. So please stay tuned with me and see the full video. There is a bell icon on that. You can subscribe my channel. So it will be helpful for me to get reach more and more people uh, within a short span of time. So let's start my video. My first sari, it is in an cotton based material. This is a very lightweight material. This is a pure resham check taan. This is a this material. It's a very lightweight material, and one thread is a cotton and one thread is resham, so that it's a feel like kota sari. The weaving is like a kota sari, and on that it's a red. This is a bright red color sari. On that I have the embroidery one. This is a hand embroidery. This is a embroidery. It's a beautiful embroidery done on this, and this is a pallu portion on that. This is a small buttas there. All these saris I've done hand embroidery saris, and this is a pleats portion. So this is a saris looks like. This is a pleat portions and this is a pallu. The whole sari look like this, and with this definitely the blouse pieces with this sari, and on that in blouse piece also there is embroidery for hand. So with a matching blouse, and there is a piping both side for the finishing on. So this is the entire sari. This price is 2650, 2650. This sari price is 2650. This is the first sari. Price is 2650. Okay. Now second sari is, this is also the resham check knot. This is a blue color resham check knot. This is a a navy blue, not navy blue, this is actually the royal blue color. Okay, and this is a whole saris looks like small buttas, and this is a palla, and this is a embroidery work. This is a machine embroidery. This one is a machine embroidery, and border there is a double border is there with cord piping. Okay, red and sea green according to the color contrast. So this is a palla. And this is a whole sari look like. This is a pleat portion, comes with this kind of buttas, flower buttas. Very very elegant piece, and all these saris are very light weight, and for gift purpose, or you can wear your own for regular wear, for those who are in a teaching profession or any professional field. You can easily wear these saris. These all saris are very summer friendly saris. So these all saris are from West Bengal. This material from West Bengal. So this is a whole sari look like, and there is a blouse with that. This is a cotton silk blouse piece with this, on this hand embroidery have done on this. So 1 meter blouse piece with this sari. This is a blouse piece. Okay. And this is a whole sari looks like. This sari cost is also 2650. This sari price is 2650. Okay. Okay, another thing I would like to share with you, for the booking, we have, those who are in Kolkata, you will get a COD services, cash on delivery services, and those who are from the outside Kolkata, you can transfer the money to my bank account or in Google Pay number. My Google Pay number is a 9163860633, which is on screen. So and we will get through courier. Okay. So this is my next sari. This is a pure Bengal cotton, which is called taan, and this is a zari stripe taan. There is a fine, the thin zari stripe is there. I don't know whether in camera it is you can see it or not. Around that, this kind of hand embroidery have done on this, and the sea green sari, sea green zari stripe cotton sari, and there is a dark chocolate embroidery have been done, and this kind of embroidery, and the border also have done in dark chocolate. So this is a whole sari. This is a pleat portions. Very very elegant piece, and if I do the pleats, this is a whole saris looks like. Okay. And obviously the blouse piece is this is a 1 meter cotton blouse piece, on hand this kind of embroidery have done according to the color contrast. So this is a whole sari look like. This sari price is only 2250, 2250, 2250. Okay, this is a whole sari look. You can take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp number 9163860633. This is my sari booking number. So next sari, there is another Resham check top. All these are cotton based sari. This is a Rani color Resham check top. On that I have did a hand embroidery. This is an embroidery. This is a butta. These are all hand stitch. And this kind of butta have been done in pallu and the whole body. This is navy blue piping is there. So this is a upper yoke portions, and the lower yoke and the pleats portions going like this. Contrast buttas, blue and one of the grey shades. So this is a pleats looks like. These all saris are the dry clean saris, as it is a hand embroidery has been done. So this is a whole saris looks like. Okay, and the blouse piece come with the definitely the navy blue contrast, and this is a uh, hand embroidery. So this is a whole saris looks like. This price also is 2650. Resham check Tat hand embroidery price is 2650. Okay. Now next sari is a very beautiful sari. This is also the Bengal cotton. This is a one lemon yellow, light lemon yellow uh, jerry stripe Tat Bengal cotton sari. On that have it a machine embroidery. This is a machine embroidery work. Okay, and this is a palla of this sari. This kind of small buta have been done, flower buta. Okay, and the border is in sea green color. And this is a whole sari. It looks like very elegant piece. All over work. See that till end this work has been done. So this is a pleats will come like this. This is a whole sari. It looks like this. This is a whole sari, and this blouse piece is this the cotton hand weaves cotton blouse piece with this 1 meter blouse piece. This is a whole sari. This sari price is at 2850. This sari price is 2850. Okay. Okay. Next sari is also Resham check Tat. This is again another red combination Resham check Tat. On that we have did a hand embroidery and then hand ari work. This is a hand ari work on black and white combination. Red, black and white combination is always in the high demand combination. So very beautiful design have been done, and this is a palla on this is a palla portion. Okay, and through the upper yoke, lower yoke, this kind of border uh, have been are going, and this is a small leaf butas on the whole saris. Okay, see till the end this work is there. So if I do the pleat, this is a whole sari look like, and of course there is a blouse piece with this sari. This is a blouse piece, and on hand this kind of mirror work have been done. Okay, this is a blouse piece. This is the whole sari look like. This sari cost is 2850. 2850. Resham check Tat hand embroidery sari price 2850. Okay. Another is very unusual combinations, and the designs is also very uh, elegant new designs. All are the new designs, but this is a specially for the cut work. This is a Bengal cotton. This is also the Jari check cotton. It's a grey color Jari check cotton. Now on that I have did a cut work. I don't know whether this is a cut work designs, and on rust color, I mean the grey with rust color, I have did the design, and there is a fish motifs, and the small fish motifs is there. This is a buttas, I mean the fish motif buttas all over the sari. On the cut work even there is a fish motif. See, this is a fish motifs. Okay, so this is a palla portion. On that palla also there is a 2-3 lines cut work is there. Okay, this is a palla, and the upper yoke also comes with the cut work. Okay, these cut works are handmade cut work, not the machine one. And the entire the lower yoke there is a cut work, and all over fish buttas, small fish buttas have done. All these designs made in a hand embroidery, hand ari work. It's very time consuming work, and it need very good concentration to do this cut work and the ari work as well. So this is a whole sari look like, and this is a rare design, a special design. This is a whole sari that you can wear in the any party also. I mean in any morning occasions and all, this kind of sari. So this is a blouse piece. On blouse piece hand also there is a cut work. See, this is a cut work on the blouse piece hand. So this is a whole saris looks like, and price is 3250. Price is 3250 because of this volume of work, and the this work is costly. So that's why price is little bit of higher, 3250. But again, this sari is definitely I would suggest you to keep in your wardrobe. This is a rare design sari. So this is the thing. So this is a 3250 price. Okay. Next sari is this is also another cotton jari stripe cotton sari, and this is a two sari have been cut and paste. I mean the stitched actually. This is the separate sari, and this is the separate sari. This yellow portion. We did a cut and stitch with this sari. This upper yoke and lower yoke portion. This border. This is another cotton sari. Sari check tat, and on that we have did the hand embroidery, hand ari work. Okay, and this is a entire sari, and this is a lower yoke comes like this kind of designs. This work has been done in a maroon color combination. It's thread work done in a maroon color combination, and this is a pleats it will look like. This is a entire sari look like. You see, this is a whole sari, and this is of course this is a blouse piece, a 1 meter cotton blouse piece. On hand this kind of mirror work, have been done. This saree price is 2850. This saree price is 2850. Okay. Next saree again, exclusive saree. This is again the red combination, red jari check taat saree, and this is also on cut work saree. This is the design of this cut work. Okay, red and white combination is a very auspicious combination, red and white. So this is a sari look like. This is a palla portion, and upper yoke comes like this in the cut work, and the buttas like this. These all are the hand ari embroidery and hand cut work. And this is a lower yoke part. I mean the pleat part. This is a pleat part. So if I do the pleats, sari will look like. This is a whole saris looks like, and this is a blouse piece in contrast, white and red combination. On hand also cut work have been done. Okay, this is a blouse piece. All saris are comes with blouse piece. This is a whole sari look like, and this price is 3250 again for this cut work. Price is 3250. Okay, red and white combination cotton jari stripe top cut work. Price 3250. Okay. This is my last sari for today's episode. This is also one very nice combinations. Uh, White and black. This is a white and black resham check down, and this is also the two sari I have made cut and paste. This is a another. I mean, black and white both are the different sari. I cut it like this way in the black part and portion, and made it the palla and the borders upper yoke, lower yoke. So, and on that, this has been done in hand Gujarati work. I mean the Kutch work, you can say. This is a embroidery, Kutch embroidery, black and white combination. This is a palla portion, and the upper yoke, entire upper yoke comes like this, and lower yoke comes like this. This is a pleat part. This is a resham check taat, very lightweight and easy to wear, easy to maintain. This is a pleat part. This is a whole sari look like. This is a whole sari looks like. Okay. This is there is this with this sari also there is a blouse piece. I will give you separately. It's just have came. Blouse piece is not yet done, so that's why I cannot show you. But definitely, when you book the sari, I will provide you a separate blouse piece with this. This sari price is 3650 because of this Kutch work. Kutch work price is a little bit of higher. The making charges. So this is a whole sari look like. It's a very elegant piece. Those who love white and black combination, just go ahead and keep in wardrobe. So this is a sari. Price 3650. Resham check taat. Bengal Resham check taat. 3650. Okay. Now all these saris I have shown you from West Bengal, Kolkata. This is our own product. this cotton sarees, silk tasar. These all are my own production sarees. So from West Bengal product. So hope you will like my product and enjoy my videos. So till then, goodbye.